You type a quick request into an AI chatbot, expecting a brilliant response. Instead, you get a robotic, useless wall of text. One user walks away with a generic paragraph. Another receives a functional code block or a multi-step project plan. The difference is not programming knowledge. It is the ability to structure inputs through the specific skill of prompt engineering. Open your chatbot in a new window right now. Think of a real-world task you need to complete today. Over the next 5 minutes, you will stop treating this tool like a search engine. We are going to learn the grammar to direct it like a lead actor. To master the tool, we must address what it actually is. Not a conscious thinking machine. They are the world's most powerful autocomplete engines. This network mathematically calculates the most likely next word, then the next, based on billions of parameters and the text you provide. Go ahead and type a basic 5-word request. Ask it for a standard workout plan or to draft an email to your boss. The result is usually a cliché-filled block of text that feels disjointed and unnatural. The engine did not fail. You handed it a blank canvas, so it predicted the most average sequence of words possible. To control the output, top engineers use a specific blueprint called the R.T.C.F framework. Start by assigning a role. Act as an Olympic fitness coach. This locks in specialized vocabulary. Then assign the task. Create a 4-day workout plan. Assigning a role and task narrows the internal database, forcing the model to operate as a specialized professional operative with a clear objective. Step 3 is context. This is where the vast majority of casual users fail. Inject context. You're a 30-year-old beginner with bad knees using dumbbells. Constraints force a custom solution. Finally, dictate the format, a weekly calendar table. Context and format establish structural boundaries. To manage this framework, stop viewing the model as an oracle. Treat it like an incredibly fast, overly enthusiastic intern. This intern is a people pleaser. If it lacks the data to answer your question, it will confidently invent fake facts to avoid disappointing you, an error known as a hallucination. You prevent this by giving the intern a strict safety net. End your prompt with, "If you do not know the answer, do not guess." Simply reply with, "I do not know." Giving the machine permission to admit ignorance establishes hard boundaries. It is the only reliable way to build trust in the facts it generates. Hit enter. The output is no longer a vague paragraph. It is a precise, formatted table built for your constraints. This framework scales to complex research. If you need to understand the intricate wiring of a quantum computer, you can direct the system to adopt a specific persona and break the subject down using analogies. Prompt engineering is an ongoing conversation. You now possess the grammar to direct these tools. Your ability to articulate your boundaries is your only remaining limit.